Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to review the plugin for Crazy Talk Animator 3. The software you are seeing right now is very new installation. It is very fresh. So let's see together. When you first install the Crazy Talk Animator 3, if you go to Actor, so these are all the actor provided by the software, built-in characters. So you can use all these character because they are template. But if you go to custom, you will see no characters here. Okay. So if you go to animation button, template, so these are all the motion animation you can use. But if you do custom, you cannot find any motion at all from here. Scene also right here, scene. If you go to scene button, in this scene there is not much. Okay, there is not much background also. Okay, let's go to prop. So these are all the items provided by the software, but some of them you cannot use at all. From here to here you can use all of them, the element from this border, this border, and this border, this border, and also this border. So they are available to use. But if you go to classroom, you cannot use all these items at all because they are locked. You have to buy chair, you have also to buy it, to buy them. Desk, coffee shop is okay, commercial is okay, this one is okay, but the forest, no, you cannot use all. The fire right here you cannot use, and background street, campfire, so on and so forth. You cannot use all of this item because they are locked. This one is okay. Living room, not at all. You cannot use all these items from living room. Mass is okay. New classroom, this one is also locked. Office is okay. Outdoor scene is okay. Park also locked as well. So you cannot use the item from park. Folder, this one. You can see cloud. Where cloud? This one cloud. You have to buy. Stage. Also you have to buy. Street you have to buy. This one is okay. So let's see what happened when you install the plugin for Crazy Talk Animator 3. Let's see together. So let's take a look after we install a plugin for Crazy Talk Animator 3. And now we go to um, backend actor, and you go to custom character. So we'll see these characters are provided in this plugin. So there are several actors also right here. Okay, these are all the actor from the plugin. And there is one sub folder as well. This one is called animal. So there are two animal provided by the plugin. So the elephant and the rhino right here, and head right here. It's not there it's not too much. I mean, there are only three. It's not many of them. Body is not given. Accessory. So this is actor. So this as actor from the plugin right here. Like you can see, this is one custom character from the plugin. So you can stand right here. Stand. It's not good looking at all. Sit. But if you want to animate, you better choose the animation from custom as well. So let's take a look. Now we go to animation folder, backend right here, and you go to custom. You click on motion right here. So motion right here, there are a few also motion provided in plugin, like walk. Okay, this is walk. Like no idea, something like this. Idea. Okay, what about this walk also? And this one, when a person is standing, it's like breathing in or out. Okay, so you go to this one, idea. So they are the motion, but this is for a girl, I think. Okay, like this one a rhino. No. So wait, like a rhino character here. Okay, this is rhino, and you go to right here, rhino. Okay, so rhino is walking also. Okay, that's it for actor and animation. So animation here, you can use template or custom. Okay, custom motion right here. But if you use a custom character from plugin, if you want to animate, you have to use you better use custom motion to you better use custom motion, because it is good. It is like I don't know how to say this. It fits with the custom character. If you use custom character right here from plugin, and you use template animation, it doesn't fit well at all. So that's why I recommend you to use a custom motion, custom animation. So let's go to scene right here. Scene. Go to template a little bit, like scene. Before, there is no the bathroom right here. So let's go to other part. Scene right here. Chicken. So chicken, medical. So all of this stuff before you um, before you install a plugin for Crazy Talk Animator 3. I don't think there are all these stuff available in this scene. So after you install the plugin, so this one is pop up right here. Okay, so all of this stuff can be used, the subway, so on and so forth. Okay, now let's go to prop right here. You can see a lot of things add up right here. So let's go to classroom. Where is it? Okay, so a lot of stuff you can see. You don't see it before, but now you see it after you install a plugin. So all of this stuff available in plugin, like Park. If you go to Park, before you cannot use it, you have to buy it. But after you install the plugin, you can use it because these are unlocked already. So you go to Flora, flower. So you can use all this flower and bush before you have to buy. But now it's okay. You can use all of them, like tree as well. So there are a lot of things right here after you install the plugin. Okay, so that's it for my review for the plugin. I think it's worth it to buy because it's very cheap, just only $5 for this plugin. You cannot find it anywhere. I promise you, you cannot find it anywhere. So it's very useful and beneficial as well. So it worth it to buy this type of plugin because you can use all of this prop. If you go to custom, you can see all this prop as well. You can have the prop from plugin like boom, like bird, body, so-called fire. So this one in Cambodian term is called plung. So this is fire. So let's take a look at this fire. And fire, there is motion as well. You can see, you can animate this one. So you don't have to worry about creating this type of fire. Okay, so let's go to this prop. Okay, so this is from prop, but if you go to custom, you can have a lot of prop from custom and also prop available from the template before you have to buy, but after you install the plugin you don't have to buy anymore, something like this. And custom, you have a lot of things like smoke, like wind, water, tuk tuk, like Indian tuk tuk, Indian tricycle, I think, right here. But in Cambodian term, this one is called tuk tuk. But I think this is Indian vehicle. Okay. There is also animate. There is an animate, right, moving the wheel, something like this. You can get a lot of benefit from this plugin. So that's it for my review. I hope you will reconsider and purchase this plugin for your personal use and commercial use as well. So thank you very much for your watching. Bye bye and see you later.